they get bonus or something? Freaking boy.
Kobe's so fat, no, it's like this.
Do your grandpa or your Uncle Jackson? Wait, what? Your grandpa already? Oh my God! Freaking boy! Over there. Oh, dude! Oh my God! Why are they attacking each other? They're just now having sex. The little kids were looking. They were like, "Yeah." Oh, he wants to get behind her, but she's like, "Hey, stop it!" Freaking boy! Boy's horny, dude. Yes. Well, I just started again. Oh my God!
I don't know.
You want her to get pregnant?
No. No, don't you believe it. No. Just take care of this stuff.
Have Chihuahua.
No,
have
I don't know where you go to the police and start giving them away over there.
Freaking boy.
Like $50.
Boy can't even get it in.
Is it actually going
No.
Oh, I think it is now. Holy crap.
Oh my God! Cupid. I know he's like Cupid is there. Oh, now he's giving it a blowjob. So she can give him a blowjob.
You'll make us some money because it's gonna be a rare dog.
Oh my God! Wait,
yeah,
boys
you
fair?
get more money when they where the both parents are the same thing.
So you can say that.
Wow,
It looks
so
more like
now you're gonna have to take care of babies.
Huh?
You're gonna have to take care
They're
of.
getting all horny and everything.
I know, freaking, it's boy. Boy's the one that gets all horny. Mimi's like, hey, stop it, man. No, she was attacking him.
You just stop.
Oh, dude. Oh my God. Freaking boy. Oh, dude, his freaking little penis is like just... Just tell him that y'all lost them and then y'all found them in the corner doing it.
Your dog lost her virginity.
Oh yeah. With who? Did she? Dude, Cupid! Dude, just. I know, it's like all pink, right? No, 3-inch. So you say your dick was 3-inch. Oh, I got him! Dude, he just said his dick was like that big! Well, that's when it's down, right? Right? Oh, dude. Oh my God!
No, these are
30, please.
Oh, he's actually getting it in.
Boy!
okay, let's hold on.
You look at her butt all wet.
I know.
Hey, let's take both of them to Kobe. And
Oh,
see
yeah.
what the reaction is from. Boy,
Dude, that's freaking messed up.